सबसे पहले मैं अपने बारे में एक छोटा सा इंट्रोडक्शन देना चाहती हूँ। मेरा नाम गरिमा श्रीवास्तव है और बाय प्रोफेशन मैं एक BHMS डॉक्टर हूँ। फॉर द फर्स्ट टाइम मैं अपने इस टैलेंट को यहाँ सबके सामने रख रही हूँ। सो इट्स माई फर्स्ट बट श्योरली इट्स नॉट गोना बी माई लास्ट। ओके, सो सबसे पहले मैं एक पोएम सुनाना चाहती हूँ जो मैंने अपनी फेवरेट डिश पे लिखी है और वो कांस्टेंट है। वो बचपन से लेकर आज तक बहुत कुछ बदला है मेरी लाइफ में, बट वो चीज़ मेरे बारे में एकदम सेम है और वो है मेरा मैगी के लिए प्यार। मुझे जानना था कि मैगी कैसे इवॉल्व हुई, आया कैसे किसी के दिमाग में आइडिया कि हम एक ऐसे नूडल्स बना सकते हैं जो लोगों को इतने टेस्टी लगेंगे और बन भी 2 मिनट में जाते हैं, है ना। हॉस्टल हो, जंगल हो, कहीं कैंपिंग हो, फ्रेंड्स के साथ हो, एक अलग ही वाइब बन जाती है मैगी होती है। तो चाहती हूँ दैट टुडे I'm going to tell you a history of my favorite food, which in all conditions has uplifted my mood. It's neither a soup nor a veggie. It's my favorite all-time meal, Maggi. It's during World War II, when destruction was as spontaneous as rain. Nuclear bombs were dropped over Hiroshima and Nagasaki, but whole Japan was crying in pain. As a consequence of war, Japan was submerged in poverty. Poor were hitting a lot and rich were left very few. So large manpower was needed to recover from the loss, and time was less and strict was the boss. So because there was no time, it was hard to cook bread and sauce. Then came instant noodles which could be cooked by few drops. Soon this temptation became famous and traveled far off places. Then Nestle launched Maggi from ramen noodles races. Maggi came in India, winning hearts of mother and child. It can be cooked instantly and could be eaten in the wild. Maggi was banned due to harmful lead, but many hearts were broken because they thought it was dead. But Maggi was breathing through different stories. After ensuring its quality, it returned back in various price packs. Its precious memory of hostel and school, the aroma while it's cooked till now makes me drool. So to make it tastier and healthier is the only notion. Maggi is not just a food, I guess it's an emotion. Thank you so much. एक पोएम और है जो मैंने बिकॉज मैं एक डॉक्टर हूँ और हमारी होम्योपैथी में जब भी हम किसी पेशेंट को प्रिस्क्रिप्शन देते हैं सो हम उसकी मेंटल स्टेटस की भी हिस्ट्री लेते हैं कि वो मेंटली कैसा फील करता है। तो ऑब्जेक्टिव सिम्टम्स से ज़्यादा उसके सब्जेक्टिव सिम्टम्स हमारे लिए इंपॉर्टेंट होते हैं। तो जब मैं पेशेंट से बात करती हूँ तब मुझे पता चलता है कि एक्चुअली में वो जो दिखा रहे हैं उसके पीछे कुछ और ही होता है। तो वहाँ से मैंने लिखा हुआ है दैट द रोड्स वर क्राउडेड एंड द हॉर्न्स वर लाउड इन सर्च ऑफ फूड व्हेन men came out. Some got money, some got food, but some returned home with self-doubt. Networks were normal, but connections were weak. What they actually felt, they could not speak. The words didn't match for the feelings they had, and the faces smiled, but the hearts were sad. Joy was a dream, and struggle was a day, to the station of bliss when they cannot find a way. 4 people of society, हाँ everywhere 4 people of society, 4 लोग क्या कहेंगे so 4 people of society were the major threat. They made sure what you want you won't get. Money became only relation and love got faded away, and no one actually cared that what this person has to say. So he deprived himself of all the hopes and peacefully hanged himself by taking those ropes. For next few days his news got flashed, and his family cursed him because they were abashed. No one had the idea of what he faced, but they kept mourning when his body got encased. So when the funeral was over, they resumed their lives and unconsciously began to sharpen their knives so that they could chop one more heart and they can infect humanity in one more part. Thank you so much.